Hi there and welcome. In this video we're diving into the topic of metabolism. And by the end of this video you will be able to understand what metabolism is, explain how photosynthesis stores energy in glucose, and discover how breaking down glucose releases that energy again. And then let's start with metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which an organism converts substances. And here's a simple example. When you eat something, your body digests it, and that means nutrients are broken down into smaller substances. And one substance is turned into another, and that is metabolism. Your body uses these substances to build things like new cells, but here's the important bit. Breaking down food also releases energy, which your body needs. And how that works, well, we'll get to that soon. First, the basics. Photosynthesis. Chloroplasts use the energy of sunlight for converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So plants can make their own food using sunlight, and that food is glucose. And to do this they need water and carbon dioxide. So that is another example of metabolism. Water and carbon dioxide are converted into glucose and oxygen. And the sunlight's energy is now stored in the glucose. And when you look at the picture on the right, you see all these green dots inside the plant cells. Well, those are the chloroplasts, and that is where photosynthesis happens. Okay, so plants make their own food in the form of glucose. Cells use glucose as an energy source. Here you see a plant cell. These are the chloroplasts, where photosynthesis takes place. And those red structures, they are mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. They burn glucose, so they break them down, and release its stored energy. So the breaking down of glucose happens in mitochondria. And if you look closely, you see that breaking down glucose is actually the reverse of photosynthesis. Glucose and oxygen are turned into carbon dioxide and water, and the stored energy is released. And it's not just plant cells that have mitochondria. All organisms do. That means animal cells too. So just like plants, we humans also need glucose for energy. And So breaking down glucose releases energy, and this energy can be used for movement, heat, or light. And when we break down glucose in our mitochondria, we can run, stay warm, and keep active. And some organisms, like fireflies, can even convert glucose into light. Yeah, that's all for now, and I'll see you next time.